Hello guys, today I'm gonna play some Subway Surfers, and I'm just gonna do this. I don't have that high of a score, I feel like I don't. I just need to beat my record, and yeah. This is my fourth video, and I hope you like this video. I used to have a channel. I'll tell you in a second. It's KJK Vlogs. I used to have that. I used to have that channel, like not the channel, yeah, channel. And yeah, I used to see my old YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll be right back. I need to do something. Tell him I'll be right back. Okay. Sorry for that. I'm sorry for my dad. I'm going to finish this round. Yeah. That dad's? Sorry. Must have hurt me in the head. Okay. Check my friend out at Supersonic X Edits. I think that's his YouTube channel now. And yeah, just comment down below what you think I should do. Like, I'll do a reacting video, like something like that. And what should I name my channel? Like, if I want to change my name, I don't know. I don't really know. Okay, my first video. I hope you guys like this, and I'm just gonna finish this one. I was gonna say that on, and then I'm gonna go watch a movie. Okay. Jump. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Got more money. No, I haven't bought any purchases. I bought a couple things, but not like with real money. And at least want to get like one like, because it's my fourth video, and I want to get a few. I actually wanted to get like 10 or 12, or maybe my multiple, I have multiple goals, but I wanted to get to 20. That's like what I wanted to get to. That's what I kind of wanted to get to, but I'm not gonna ask too much. And yeah, just enjoy my videos. And okay, yeah, it's a dumb idea to use your keys, but it's for you guys. Done it. I didn't do that. I went up. Done it. Okay.